As we were looking at health insurance, we're going to be looking at comparing two different plans based upon probability of things happening as well as uh, the price of the plan and the deductibles. So, the information that's given us, this individual has two plans to choose from. One has a $6,000 a year premium and has a $2,000 deductible out of pocket. The second one has a $2,508 or $508 premium, but has $8,000 out of pocket expense. So what you'll do on this one is you're going to find the total cost or expected cost by taking the percentage chance of things happening and multiplying and then adding that to the premium. So on the first plan, we're looking at $2,000 out of pocket. So there's a 27% chance that she won't have to pay anything, and a 34% chance that she'll have to pay the 2,000. So the insurance company is going to pay everything over 2,000, meaning that you can add all of those up, and it's going to be 0.97 times 2,000, and then add that to her premium of 6,000. Um, as you look at this, the second one has $8,000 out of pocket, so she'll pay all of that. The insurance company would pay over 8,000. So if you add that up, 8,000 times 0.17 would be added. So again, you're going to go everything above the deductible, because below the deductible, the insured pays that amount. Everything above is what the um, insurance company pays. So when you look at the cost, you're going to add those up and then make a decision of which plan she should use, and be sure to answer that with logic.